We will launch a new product, portable galvanized metal storage bucket.
It's very convenient for you because it's portable. Now you can see we use the iron wire handles and with wooden. Of course, you can have your own idea on and design for the handle.
Can you introduce the material and color?
The material is made in galvanized sheet and you can see the one same color inside. For something special, we cold blow outside and you can print some logo and pendant. We mix modern and vintage style together. Of course, we can provide the customized surface effect.
Please show the capacity of this caddy.
The caddy is high capacity. Also, you can see the detachable inner. When you remove the inner, you can use it as a hanger to keep your tiny fixed. Assemble the inner. You can use this caddy to hold a lot of things such as garden tools, poles, jigs, food, kitchen utensils, and so on.
When do the customers can use this bucket?
According to the items with many use, it can be used in kitchen, bathroom, party, bar, garden, and outdoor activities. It saves you a lot of space and creates a farmhouse chic as an accessory. Customer can have more function choice according to their own habits.